OpenAI just dropped something that could change music forever. Their new project called Music AI isn't just another sound generator. It's a real-time song engine that listens, adapts, and creates music with you. Imagine typing a mood like sad piano under soft rain, or humming a few notes, and in seconds, a full orchestra builds around your idea, syncing perfectly to your voice, tone, and rhythm. From producers to YouTubers to everyday listeners, this could redefine how music is made, shared, and performed. So let's talk about it. Alright, so OpenAI just fired its latest shot in the creative world, and it's not just impressive, it's revolutionary. Music AI is reportedly a next-generation model built to compose, arrange, and perform songs in real time. It doesn't just make loops or short clips, it builds entire compositions that react to you as you go. You can talk to it, sing to it, or feed it a simple text idea, and it instantly generates harmonies, melodies, and even lyrics that fit your theme. Think of it as a musician that never sleeps, never misses a beat, and understands your taste down to every note. What's different this time is how human it feels. According to early testers, Music AI doesn't just copy musical patterns, it interprets emotion. It understands when a melody should rise with tension or fall into silence. The model was reportedly trained using annotated music data from professional composers and students from top conservatories, including Juilliard-level performers. Each piece was marked for phrasing, dynamics, and timing, so the AI could learn why a musician bends a note, not just when. That's what makes the results sound alive, not robotic, not overproduced, but expressive. And this goes deeper than simple prompts. You can actually collaborate with the model. For example, imagine uploading a short guitar riff. Within seconds, Music AI builds a full arrangement around it. Drums, strings, vocals, even sound design. Change your mood from epic cinematic to lo-fi chill, and the track morphs in real time without losing rhythm or coherence. It's like watching a composer, producer, and engineer work together instantly right in front of you. Now here's where things get wild. OpenAI reportedly integrated this engine into their broader ecosystem. That means ChatGPT could soon generate lyrics, Music AI could turn them into a song, and Sora could build the matching visuals, all inside the same workflow. Picture this. You describe a movie scene, a sunset drive with slow jazz in the background, and within a minute, you have the video, the music, and the vibe all ready to publish. This is the kind of creative stack that collapses an entire production team into one tool. Sources close to the company say Music AI's prototype is already being tested internally by OpenAI's content partners and selected artists. Early demos reportedly show users recording vocals through their browser while the AI reacts in real time, harmonizing, adjusting tempo, and matching key signatures automatically. It doesn't just follow your voice, it understands it. But why does this matter so much? Because until now, AI-generated music has always hit a ceiling. Previous tools could create decent background tracks, but they lacked soul. They couldn't handle structure, rhythm changes, or emotion in a way that felt genuine. Music AI seems to be the first real attempt at bridging that gap, blending raw data and human artistry. And the implications go far beyond professional musicians. YouTubers, filmmakers, game developers, and even casual creators could soon generate custom scores that fit their content perfectly. No more endless searching through copyright-free libraries or paying for stock music that sounds generic. Just describe the tone you want, and the AI does the rest. Now, let's talk about how this actually works. Under the hood, Music AI reportedly combines audio transformers with a novel performance reasoning layer. Instead of just predicting the next note, it looks at phrasing and context over time, similar to how ChatGPT analyzes sentences for meaning. The model maps emotional intent across bars of music, letting it sustain tension, resolve progressions, and adapt melodies mid-performance. That's why a jazz solo generated by this system doesn't feel random. It flows like a human improvisation. OpenAI's engineers also developed something they call adaptive rendering, which means the output can change dynamically. For instance, if you're generating music while editing a video, the model listens to scene transitions and automatically adjusts the tempo or tone to match. It can switch from fast electronic beats during a chase sequence to slow orchestral strings during a calm moment, all in one continuous render. That's something no music engine has been able to do until now. According to insiders, the real challenge wasn't sound generation, it was authenticity. The team wanted the AI to capture the human touch, slight timing imperfections, expressive volume curves, and emotional variance. These are what make live performances memorable, and they're incredibly difficult for machines to replicate. So OpenAI's approach wasn't just about more data, it was about better data. Reports suggest the company partnered with professional musicians to annotate thousands of hours of real performances, marking subtle details like crescendo, legato, rest, or sustain. This granular labeling allowed Music AI to build an internal model of musical emotion, not just composition. The result is something that doesn't sound like it came from a computer. It sounds like it came from a studio. But beyond the tech, there's a bigger question here. What happens to creativity when anyone can make professional music in seconds? Some people see this as a revolution, a way to democratize art and give everyone the tools to express themselves. Others fear it could flood the market with AI songs, making it harder for human artists to stand out. And that's where OpenAI's long-term vision becomes clear. They're not trying to replace musicians, they're trying to give them superpowers. Just like how photo editing didn't kill photography, it expanded it. Music AI could open a new chapter for collaboration between humans and machines. You might start a song, but the AI helps you finish it faster, cleaner, and with more depth. It also fits perfectly into OpenAI's growing creative suite. Think about the lineup. ChatGPT for writing, DALL for images, Sora for video, and now Music AI for sound. Each piece connects seamlessly into a single production ecosystem. It's no longer just a chatbot company, it's a full creative platform. Interestingly, this move also puts OpenAI head-to-head with some major players. Google's DeepMind has been experimenting with musical models, Stability AI released Dance Diffusion, and Suno recently made waves with real-time song generation. But OpenAI's advantage is integration. They already have the tools, the audience, and the infrastructure to make it mainstream. And the timing couldn't be better. The global music industry is rapidly evolving, with AI already producing chart-topping hits and virtual artists signing record deals. The difference now is that the tools are shifting from niche to universal. In a few months, even your phone might come preloaded with generative music capabilities powered by models like Music AI. Now let's step into what this means for creators on the ground. If you're a filmmaker, you could generate a cinematic score perfectly aligned with your edits. If you're a YouTuber, you could have custom intro music that adapts to your voiceover's tone. Podcasters could even use it to create dynamic background music that responds to topic changes or emotional shifts in the conversation. OpenAI's engineers also tease something called live mode, where Music AI performs interactively during a session. Imagine playing piano while the AI fills in drums and bass in real time, adjusting chord progressions to stay in harmony with you. It's like having a bandmate who can anticipate your next move. And because this runs through OpenAI's multimodal system, it could soon connect with hardware instruments, DAWs, or even live streaming platforms. That means real-time music co-creation during performances, something that could completely reshape concerts, Twitch streams, or even virtual events. The technical side is also fascinating. Early documents mention the use of a dual-stage training process. The first phase focuses on structure, learning rhythm, melody, and harmony. The second phase trains on human performance nuances, using fine-tuned diffusion and autoregressive models to preserve timing variations. The end result is a sound engine that not only composes, but feels. But the true power of Music AI lies in accessibility. You won't need a $5,000 setup or years of training. You'll be able to create music by simply describing it, adjusting it, and exporting it directly to your preferred platform. That's the kind of simplicity that could attract millions of creators who never thought they could make music before. Still, OpenAI seems cautious about rollout. They've learned from the Sora and GPT releases that too much hype can lead to chaos. So instead, they're focusing on gradual access, likely starting with artists, educators, and developers before moving to the public. The company wants to ensure the model isn't misused for deepfake songs or copyright violations. Speaking of that, there's already talk of ethical frameworks being built into the system. Music AI includes watermarking at the signal level, meaning every track it generates carries a hidden signature that identifies it as AI made. That transparency could be key to keeping the industry balanced between creativity and authenticity. But one thing is certain, this technology is a glimpse of the future. A future where creativity isn't limited by tools or skill, but only by imagination. Where anyone can express emotion through sound instantly. And in that sense, Music AI might not just change how we make music, it could change how we feel it. So, what does this mean for the industry? For professionals, it's a new kind of studio assistant. For amateurs, it's a gateway into music creation. And for OpenAI, it's a clear step toward their vision of AI as a universal creative partner, one that can write, draw, compose, and think alongside humans. Right now, there's no confirmed release date, but insiders believe it's already in active testing with select creators. Given OpenAI's recent momentum and the success of Sora, it's safe to assume we'll hear official news sooner than later. And when that happens, we might look back at this as the moment music changed forever. Not because AI replaced musicians, but because it made everyone one. So what do you think? Will AI become the next big name on the charts? Or will it stay behind the scenes, helping artists reach new heights? Let me know your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.